So as for we learning previously the left rotation of an array. So today we learning about the how to count the occurrence of character in a string. So what the meaning of occurrence? Occurrence means the count of character in a string. Here like here all are the character. As we know, the sequence of character is known as the string. What are the sequence of character? Like here A, B, B, C, C, D, E, and space. We can take a space as character also, but the understanding purpose I am not taking the space here, and I am also taking for readability for taking A, B, B, C, C by sequence, because you can actually understand what are the count of the character. And but you can take the character in anywhere and any positions, it will count. So let's go to the program. Let's do take a class as occurrence, RENCE. The class name is occurrence, and here we have to declare the main method. So for main method, public static void main and string arrays of arguments, string arrays of arguments. Okay, in this main method I am just taking one string as str. Okay, and the string is a, b, b, c, c, d, d and e, as I'm taken in my example. So as we know, be comparing the string be comparing the string by taking two for loop. So here I'm writing and for loop here, then simply I'm copy paste because I'm not want to write again. And inside the for loop I just using the first outer loop will take the int I as initialization, and the updation is I plus plus. Here the condition is I less than str dot length length. So for inner loop also we are taking the same thing, but we are just change the initialization value at j and j and j. So the this is the inner for loop. So what can we do here? Before that we have to take one array, boolean array as a because I will give fetch or give any declaration inside the value inside the array again, so that it is easily print the count of the character, as well it will not count the character again and again. So that's why I take the boolean array. So after the programming you can understand how it's work. Like boolean visited equals to new boolean, and the length is str dot length. Length is string length. The string length here is 1 1 2 2 3 sorry 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So here also the array length is 8. Okay, so in the first I am taking one if condition. So condition is if visited I, means if the first index value is not equals to false, then it will continue. So in that I'm taking for counting, for comparing and counting, I'm taking count as integer because I have to count the character. count count equals to 0 because initially it is 0. So inside the inner loop I am taking another for loop. If another for loop I am taking what, like str dot char at I, str dot char at I equals to j. It is comparing this value again with all the character. If it is matching, then then in the position of j also it is giving the array value will be true. So here I'll take array value as j equals to true. Okay, then count also increase. Why count also increase? Because we want to count the character, that means occurrence, so we need. So then after this for loop or inner for loop, every time I have to print the value, print the character and print the character count of the character. So here I'm taking system dot out dot print dot ln and the value. What is the value? Let's take as occurrence or CCURENCE, occurrence of we have to take this value, because we print the statement in the outer loop, not in the inner loop. So we have to take this value, and for like simple understanding I'm just using each. Then again the character count is count. Let's see, run and see the output of the program. See, the occurrence of A is 2, the B is 2, C is 2, D is 1 and E is 1. Okay, so this is my program. We'll see another program in next video. Thank you.